Yeah, we just had to jump in.
If you jump in, that's warm. If you just see us,
don't sit down.
Is it videotaping? Yeah. Why? Just jump in, or it's gonna be really cold.
Yeah, wait, no. Katie, you stand.
Stop!
Katie, wait, no, you stand there. Me and Peyton are gonna stand on the other sides of you, and you're gonna.
No, Christine.
We're gonna jump.
No.
We said we were gonna jump, not you.
Ow, ow, ow. I need band-aids.
Yeah, good ones.
We're short in water.
Wait, kid, no, stand there and turn around and say, yeah, when we jump. Okay, wait, let's see. Let me see if I can balance myself without falling. Oh, yeah. Really, dude?
Is it videotaping?
Yes.
What if my top comes off? My coconuts.
What was that?
It's a snake! Ah!
Where?
Oh, never mind. It's just a cat.
Wow! Wait, let's show them our water aerobics, right? Okay, ready? Really? This is good. Wait, like all of them on Amphor?
I gotta go.
Wait, like all of them on Amphor must do her. You know how all of them does the dance?
I am Timmy the Tugging Timmy!
Wait, ready? Sing with me. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, 'cause they are
What
so.
is that?
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide.
Wait, we're gonna jump
In
in.
a vine. Wait, no, Katie, let's do it. Do it with us.
No.
No, you don't have to jump.
No, I should be in the middle because y'all are both leopard and I'm coconut.
Yeah, you'll have leopard.
Katie!
Wait,
We already cleaned.
No, but it's really dirty now.
Ah!
I'm gonna fall. Stop it, Peyton. Ah! Stop, Peyton.
I didn't do anything.
I saw a splash of me.
I was
Like this, like a dog. Whatever. No, Katie, no, we're first born. We're newborns. We don't know how to swim.
I don't care.
Stop, freaking Peyton.
Ow. Ow. Back dimples.
I didn't say it.
Yeah, but you're in front of me, so ha! Where'd you get this?
Oh, okay. Katie. Jackson.
So, Jackson shows up.
Peyton, if that breaks, I'm going to laugh.
What?
What if it just like breaks the pole? Laugh. Whatever you do, Peyton, you just broke the pole.
I'd be like, no! My pool! And you'd be like, my pool. And Katie'd be like, no, our pool.
Whatever. Shut up.
You're so flat-chested, Christine.
But you're wearing a coconut.
Actually, no. Mine are grown.
Please stop when we're on camera. He started it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Ow! Wait, Katie, do you post all of them on Facebook?
I don't post them on Facebook. I post them on YouTube.
What? You do?
Yeah.
What? Christine!
I have a blog. You should say the last one she was doing.
No, you said I post them on Facebook.
I know she said
I
YouTube.
meant YouTube.
But some YouTube videos go on Facebook too. Like get going.
Well, that really sucks. I'm wearing a coconut bra and I'm going to be on YouTube. Maybe her phone will die and she won't be able to make it.
It's recording right now.
I bet all the viewers like it when I'm in your videos. What would you do if I fell bad?
You said that I didn't get on camera.
Actually, I'd fall in this hole. I go underneath your house and then mouse will let me in and I can
Mine.
Mouse woman! Oh my god! This is so funny. Okay. There were these tiny little mouse toys that made noise and it was snowing. And me and my grandma were the only ones that got to sleep in the bed. And then, so they were making noise and she was like, Maces! Maces! And she runs out of the room and I'm all walking out of the room like, no, do that. And she's like, Maces! Maces! I'm like, you mean mice? And she's like, shut up! Don't correct me! And then Crystal was the best and she just goes to the ones. The cat to play with. Maces? Yeah, she says, Maces, don't sit on it. You know, you're such a rule. I said, you're such a rule. You obey the rules. You're supposed to bend them. You're not supposed to stand. You're not supposed to put heavy weight on it.
What? Technically, you're heavy. Tippy-toeing.
Hey! You cheater! You're tippy-toeing!
No, I'm not. I can feel you.
Yeah, because you're putting your foot under my foot. Narwhal, something get these. Christy, put me in the bowl.
Yeah, you guys are.
Coconut 1, leopard 2.
Leopard. 2.
3!
Wait, what? What was that? I thought we were supposed to scream and then we push you.